Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à tous.
In this video, I am going to tell you how to use French adverbs.
Trop, beaucoup et très.
First, I will tell you about.
Très.
It means very in English. It comes before an adjective or before an adverb and refers to the intensity or quality of something. Let's take an example when Très comes before an adjective. She is very intelligent. So in French it is translated as.
Elle est très intelligente.
Another example. This house is very nice. In French it is translated as.
Cette maison est très sympa.
This dress is very pretty. In French it is translated as.
Cette robe est très jolie.
Anjali is very funny. In French it is translated as.
Anjali est très drôle.
Now let's see when it comes before an adverbs. For example, Ian runs very fast. In French it is translated as.
Ayant court très vite.
Here vite is an adverb. She dances very badly. In French it is translated as.
Elle danse très mal.
Here mal is an adverb. Example. He cooks very well. In French it is translated as.
Il cuisine très bien. Très.
Never come before or in front of a verb unless.
Bien ou mal.
Is placed in between verb and.
Très.
For example. He played very well. In French it is translated as.
Il a très bien joué.
Or. He played very badly. So it is translated as.
Il a très mal joué.
Now let's see the adverb.
Trop.
It means too much or too many or too. It relates to the idea of excess and negativity. It is used before an adjective, adverb, verb and noun. Let's take an example when it come before a noun. In this case trop is used with a preposition de and noun. He has too many watches. In French it is translated as.
Il a trop de montres.
Another example. She has too many problems. In French it is translated as.
Elle a trop de problèmes.
Now let's see when it is used after a verb. For example. He eats too much. In French it is translated as.
Il mange trop.
Another example. She talks too much. In French it is translated as.
Elle parle trop.
When we use it in passé composé it comes before the past participle and after the conjugated auxiliary verb. Let's see an example. You ate too much. In French it is translated as.
Tu as trop mangé.
Now let's see when it is used before an adjective. For example. She is too tall. In French it is translated as.
Elle est trop grande.
Now let's see when it is used before an adverb. For example. He walks too slowly. In French it is translated as.
Il marche trop lentement.
When it is used before noun its meaning is too many, when it is used before verb its meaning is too much and when it is used before an adjective and adverb its meaning is too in English. Now let's see the adverb.
Beaucoup.
It means a lot or many or much in English. Let's see when it is used before the and noun. For example, she bought a lot of dresses. In French it is translated as.
Elle a acheté beaucoup de robes.
Example. It rains a lot. In French it is translated as.
Il pleut beaucoup.
Another example. I have many books. In French it is translated as.
J'ai beaucoup de livres. Beaucoup.
Is translated as a lot and many when it comes before the and noun. Also translated as a lot when it come after verb. Now let's see when it is translated as much. It translated as much when sentence in negative and it is placed after the verb. For example, she doesn't work much. It is translated as.
Elle ne travaille pas beaucoup. À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.